What's up, friends? Buddy here. April 19th, 2020. I want to show you how you can make $100 getting this virtual assistant. Her name is Ava with a company called TextBot. Okay, this is formerly known as Abundance Network, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get $100 over and over with this system. Okay, so what's going on in the world today? You should be doing something like focusing on growing a home business with this coronavirus shutdown. Who knows when we're going to get back to work? Who knows how you're going to start making an extra income? Who knows if if that's going to happen again? How long this is going to pan out for? Nobody knows that question. So this is TextBot here. Check this out.
Hey, I'm Jeff, and I'm going to tell you how to have $100 or more sent to you every single day, straight to Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, or however you choose to get paid. And all you have to do is connect people to our AI texting chatbot, Ava. Who's Ava? Well, Ava is your automated virtual assistant. She holds real-time human-like text message conversations with everyone you connect her with, and then instructs them to send you $100. Now, people are going to send you this $100 for a few reasons. They also are going to want to make $100 connecting people to Ava just like you're about to do. They're going to want to use Ava in their own business to text their leads and customers, or, of course, both. Now, there's a lot more to tell you, but rather than just continuing to tell you about all of this, I want to let you experience the power of this system firsthand. So simply press the continue button you see here on this page, enter your mobile phone number, and then press the next step button. Within a few minutes, you're going to receive a text message from Ava, so you can interact with her, get your questions answered, and of course, get started with us. So enter your mobile number to be connected to Ava right now, and I'll see you in the next step.
Okay, so what you're going to want to do is press continue, put your phone number in there, you pull this up, whatever country that you're from. I'm in the US right now, so I'm scrolling all the way down to the US, United States. You put your phone number in there. So my number is 360-441-3363. I'm going to enter that in, press go, and it's simply
Awesome.
going
Hey,
to...
thanks for entering your mobile number to be connected to Ava. Just remember, you can reply stop at any time to be removed. Now, before I have Ava send you a text message to the phone number you just entered, let me ask you a simple question. What excites you most about this technology right now? The ability to get paid $100 over and over sharing Ava with others, the ability to use Ava in your own business to text your leads and customers, or both? Choose an answer, and then let's continue.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm choosing both because I'm a member of different affiliate programs, network marketing programs, so I'm going to press both.
Well, perfect. It's great to know that you're exactly the kind of person that we're looking for. You like the idea of getting paid $100 over and over while having Ava, our texting chatbot, doing all of the work for you, while she even helps you build and promote whatever business you want. Well, before I go on, let me go ahead and introduce myself to you. My name is Jeff Long, and I'm the creator, founder, and CEO of a company called TextBot. Basically, because I had a few crazy thoughts one day about how cool it would be to be able to text people without actually being the one texting them. Entrepreneurs from all over the world, from all walks of life, are getting payment notifications of $100 being sent to them over and over, and all they're doing is sharing this exact system with others. Well, some are getting these notifications a few times a month, while others are getting happily bombarded with them throughout the day while spending time with family or, just doing the things that they love. Go ahead and take my friend John, for example. He also goes by the name of Bones. Now, he sent me this video of him hanging out with his kids, and he had to share it, so I wanted to show it to you and just prove a point. So check this out. Hey, you guys, my name is Bones, and I'm at the Children's Museum right now with my son and daughter. But while we've been here, I keep having to approve payments. I keep getting these texts like, somebody just paid, approve, and I keep doing like $100, okay, $100. So it works, obviously, and you can do it anywhere. I mean, that's crazy, right? This is the truth. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye. It's so cool. And there's also my other friend Tony, who posted this on Facebook about his spa day that he was able to take simply because he plugged into this system. And then, of course, there's the thousands of other people who have gotten $100 payments from Ava, as you can see from the numerous screenshots that I'm showing you right now. and this is just a handful of them. So even though that social proof is pretty cool, I want to go ahead and introduce you to a few more of the people who were so excited about the results that they wanted to talk about them on video. So enjoy these short clips, and I'll be right back with you.
We started making money within the first 2 hours we were in this program. The people we're bringing in, they're making money day one simply by sharing the number.
In 1 week, I made $900, completely automated. I literally posted it on my Facebook and have made $900.
Okay, so I'm logged into my back office, and as you can see, in just a little over a week's time, we have earned $1,800.
Hey, it's Justin coming to you from beautiful Puerto Rico. Just wanted to share my results thus far. My first few weeks of promoting it and using it to build my primary business, I was able to earn an additional $15,000 in affiliate commissions, and I'm very grateful for that.
Hey, my name is Kimberly. I'm super excited. Came into the system, was completely blown away by what I saw. Made $2,600 within a short period of time just by sharing a phone number and letting the system do my follow-ups and basically do the heavy lifting for me. So thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for putting this system together. You're going to make a lot of people happy, just like me. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.
My name is Michael, and I gotta tell you, as a full-time online marketer, to be able to generate $100 per person that I refer, it is a game changer. So when you combine a powerful phone number with automated artificial intelligence text message marketing software and can get paid for your efforts, it's an absolute win-win. And what Jeff and his team has done, overcoming hurdle after hurdle to put into place attainable software like you have access to potentially right here, it's a real no-brainer.
So hopefully by now you can see that this is very real, definitely works, and it can absolutely work for you too. Now the coolest part about this is that for some of these people, this is the first and only money they've ever been able to make from home. And when I say this program changes lives, you can see it's not just some hypey BS cheesy line to manipulate you into thinking it can do the same for yours. I mean it. And if you've struggled to make money online in the past, or even if you've never even attempted anything like this before, you could very realistically make your first $100 online right here, right now. And I really want you to do that. But before we continue, I need you to let me know that you are very clear on the fact that there's no guarantees of income or results here. And however many payment notifications you want to get and how often is really going to be up to you. So go ahead and click that button and we'll go ahead and continue.
Pressing the next button,
Great,
continue.
thanks for letting me know. Well, now, since you like the idea of making money, I'm going to assume that you're going to agree with me.
Okay, so I'm just going to put, I'm not interested because I'm on my own website right here. So if this sounds like something that you want to do, collect $100 over and over by sharing something simple, like sharing a phone number, then simply just click that link in the description. Otherwise, there's going to be a phone number, 516-344-8618, I believe it is. You call that number and you can see firsthand how Ava works. You can do this interactive text message technology, as you see in the video, the interactive video technology. When you call or text message that number, you're going to get a message that looks like this, actually. Hello, this is Ava with TextBot. Please reply yes to confirm, and then you'll reply yes back, and then you're just simply, it's going to interact with you. And that's simple as that. Ava, I mean, you'll text message her, and you'll go from there. She'll ask your name, then ask your email, and then you'll get the information sent to your email. And it's that simple. Ava does the selling and the telling for you with this text message technology called TextBot. So if you want to get your own virtual assistant named Ava, then you're going to simply want to click that link in the description, or you can actually call or text message the number that I'm going to have up right here. So this is probably the easiest way to make money is with TextBot. So check out that link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell when I come out with more videos about TextBot and the virtual assistant Ava. You're going to want to find out more. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.